Microsoft will ship a full Linux kernel in Windows 10. This is the news about the Microsoft Next builds in the summer. Let's check out what's new. So hello, my name is the Computer Enthusiastic, and today we got this news and I'm really interested in this news and I wanna share it with you. Maybe you didn't heard about it. Anyways, so Microsoft has surprised many in the Linux developer community in recent years. And yeah, I think I have heard about that. They just supported the bug shell in Windows 10 and native OpenSSH in Windows 10 also, and including the Ubuntu and SUSE Linux, and it's all for the Linux community developers, and this is a really interesting topic for them, so they probably want to hear about it. And yeah, this is from the source saying, beginning with Windows Insider's builds this summer, we will include an in-house custom build Linux kernel to underpin the newest version of Windows subsystem for Linux. So yeah, probably some of you know the WSL, or which called the Windows subsystem for Linux. It's supporting the applications and tools. You can just Google it and find out. And here explains Microsoft Program Manager Jack Homans. The kernel itself will initially be based on version 4.19, and 4.19 is the latest long-term stable release of Linux. The kernel will be replaced at the designation of long-term stable releases to ensure that WSL kernel always has the latest Linux goodness. So yeah, I think this version is very good. You could also check out that, you just have to Google it, WSL 4.19, and you will find it. And here they say Microsoft integration of Linux in Windows 10 will interface with user space installed via the Windows Store. So yeah, you could find it in the Windows Store in this summer, and it's a big shift for Windows and marks first time that Linux kernel will be included as part of Windows. It sounds like the Linux kernel integration will be available later this year with Windows 10 update. It's codenamed 19H2, and yeah, you will just find it like that to make sure that it will include the Linux kernel. And now for developers, and yeah, this is yours who are developer and who are watching me. So it should dramatically improve the performance of Microsoft Linux subsystem, and which called the WSL. And yeah, the Microsoft is also promising to update this kernel through Windows Update, and it will be fully open source. So this will let you pick the options for your Linux kernel and it will work like you want, and that's great. They just announced it today, which is May 6, 2019. So they say a new command line app for Windows. It's designed to be the central location for access. The central location for access to environment like PowerShell, CMD, and the Windows subsystem for Linux. And yeah, this command line will do what it's been said here, or written, whatever. For the Linux developers to work on Windows 10, maybe you'll just upgrade your work, and this is worth it. What Microsoft did is worth it, and they know why they just did that and why they just open source it. I agree. This will help the developers to choose their path. And thank you for watching. I hope you just enjoyed this news and benefit from it, and I hope you just see my next videos. I will be here every week. See you later.